हेलो सारे। कैसे हो? बढ़िया ही होंगे। वेलकम बैक अगेन टू द चैनल डिवोशन ऑफ नॉलेज। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू solve our Leetcode daily problem, construct string with Revit limit. So let us directly understand or straight towards understanding the problem. So this is the problem statement. I have pasted it in our writing software so that we can understand more clearly. So the problem is medium rated, but believe me, it's a very straightforward problem. Nothing much logic has to be applied. You are given a string s and an integer repeat limit. Construct a new string named repeat limited string using the characters of s such that no letter appears more than the repeat limit times in a row. This is the important statement. Please remember, no letter appears more than the repeat limit times in a row. And also a condition is that means statement is that we do not have to use all characters from s. Now we will understand what this statement is trying to convey in the later part of our video, but let us first understand no letter appears more than limit times in a row, what this particular statement is trying to convey. And return the lexicographically largest string, repeat limited string possible. Now those who are not aware that what is lexicographical order, it means order that dictionary follows. For example, A, B and BB. So BB is lexicographically greater than AB because those who know how to read a dictionary, they will be understanding or they will be knowing how lexicographically largest is that. Is the definition given of lexicographically string. Okay, so let us directly move towards the test case given to us. This is the input string that we are given CCZAC and repeat limit given to us is 3. It means that we are supposed to create another string from the given string s, and it should be lexicographically largest string possible among all the strings possible that we can create from this particular string. And repeat limit is 3. Now repeat limit equal to 3, which means no character can occur consecutively more than 3 times. So if I say that I am having here z 2 times, a 1 time and c 4 times. Now what if I want to create a string which is lexicographically largest? So the largest character in the alphabetical order will be present first. So we will be writing z 2 times, which is because here it is 2 times. Now next character means second largest character will be also written as many times as possible to create a lexicographically largest string. So if I want a lexicographically largest, I would be writing this C 4 times. But here repeat limit given to us is equal to 3. It means that I cannot write any character more than 3 times in a row. So I have to just write C 3 times here and one C will be also remaining again. Then we are having only one A, we have to write one A and again the one C to make it lexicographically largest. So this is the lexicographically largest string that we can derive from the given string s. Now this is the another case. Here B is present 3 times and A is present 4 times. Repeat limit equal to 2. So to create a lexicographically large string, we will be writing B first, then A we will be writing only once because still one B is remaining. So it is more better for us to insert this B as early as possible to create a lexicographically largest string which is possible. So again one A I will be writing, again one B was remaining, one B will be writing. Now still 3A are remaining. So I will be writing this 2A because limit is 3 and still 1A is remaining. But it is not mandatory for us because here it is written you do not have to use all the characters from s. So here we won't be using this one left character A from the given string s. So this will be our output BB, AB and AA. I hope the question is clear to you guys. Now how we will approach this question? Let's see. Initially think of a brute force. What we are means doing? initially largest character. We take largest character because we are supposed to do it in a lexicographical order. So largest character, we just insert it, keeping that limit in the mind. Then if the largest character is present more than the repeat limit times, as it was here, b was present 3 times and limit was equal to 2. So what we did, we inserted this b 2 times and we take the next largest character, which was a. When we inserted here b and again we inserted the remaining b which was here. So we inserted b, the second largest character, then again the largest character that was present. So basically we are doing nothing. Largest character, if it is greater than repeat limit, we insert second largest character only once, because we are supposed to make a lexicographically longest string possible. And if after insertion the both elements are still present, we will be just inserting into our corresponding data structure that we are using. Now as it is written here, largest character, which data structure you guys think will be most suitable to solve this problem? Many of you will be giving answer heap. It is completely correct, but I have solved this problem using map container, because in heap there was some initial requirement of creating a frequency array that we have to keep in mind along with the iterating and all that. So heap is means it is a standard problem of heap, but we can use or implement the same functionality of heap using map as well. So we'll be using map container. So let us understand how we'll be doing it, and also the constraints given are 10 raised to 5. Constraint is 10 raised to 5. So we have to accomplish this problem in max to max n log n. We can't go further than that. So let us understand the code, what we have done. I won't be writing code from scratch because it is not that much of complex problem which requires understanding of code on each and every step while writing. So I have just written the code, I have submitted it already, and then we'll be understanding this code that I have already written line by line, because as I said, it is not that much complex code that we have to understand it line by line. So let me first copy our code into our software that we are using to understand. Okay. Just a second guys, let me just copy it. Let us insert code on each and every slide so that there is not any mess created. This code may seem lengthier to you guys, but believe me, it is not that much stuff. It is straightforward problem. Okay, so let us move. Initially we took a map container in which we will be storing character first and integer, because we are requiring largest character for the first. So we will be storing character wise. Just inserted each and every character along with the frequency in the map. We took a answer string that will be returning at the end of the code. Now here, as I told, we want the largest character because we are willing to have lexicographically largest string possible. So largest character, we took it from m.end because as you guys are knowing, map stores the largest, means sorted order. So if the elements are stored in sorted order, the largest element will be occurring at the last of the array. And if you guys are not aware about map container, we are running our parallel STL playlist in which I have just recently uploaded a video of map. You guys and definitely check it out if you are not aware about the concept of map. And we will be erasing that particular element from the array. I will be telling you why we have erased that particular element. Then for character and frequency. Now if the frequency is greater than limit, if for example frequency equal to 4 and limit is only equal to 2, then we will be only appending the character to the answer equal to limit, because we are restricted to include character maximum up to the length of limit only consecutively. So here we appended that particular character in our answer string, and we subtracted that limited frequency limit from our frequency, because here I have changed the name of the argument given from repeat limit to just limit, because it becomes more easier to write the code, that's why. And if it is inverse, if frequency equal to 2 and limit equal to 3, for example, then we will be consuming, or we will be using all the frequency that we are given. So here we will be inserting character only up to frequency times, and we will be assigning frequency equal to 0, because we will be appending all the characters present in frequency, as it is less than limit, so we can use all of them. After that, if still the frequency is left, because in this test case here we inserted b twice, but still b's frequency was 3, so still one b is remaining to be appended. It means then we have to append the second largest character from the map, but as I told you, we have already removed the first largest character from the map, so we'll be directly writing m dot end, because after removal of the largest character, the second largest character will be present at the end of the map only. So we are taking out that particular value, or means that particular pair tuple, and we will be again removing it also. I will be telling you why. New character it2.first, new frequency, and we will be appending the second largest character only once, because we want lexicographically largest string possible. So to get the largest string, we will be appending the second character only once in our answer array, answer string. So we just appended it nch, and if after appending that one character, if the frequency is still, means if it is still present in our, means it is still present, or we can add in further, then we will be again inserting that new character along with the new frequency, having one deducted from it, as we are here writing minus minus n frequency, and we will be inserting that first largest character that we took out. And what if the m size equal to 0, as it happened there? A was still present 3 times. A was present 3 times, and we took out this particular character from the array. So our map was empty, and frequency was still there, because after taking 2 A's, 1 A was still remaining, but there was no second largest character present in our array. So if the m size equal to 0, then we will be breaking, as it is mentioned into the problem, that it is not compulsory to use all the characters from S. So we will be leaving such characters left because of not, or absence of second largest character. So we will do this thing until map is not empty, because we will be iterating through each and every character, largest, second largest, and all that. So it will be done until map is filled or with some value. So it will be iterating until map is not empty. So as soon as map becomes empty, we will be coming out of this loop, and we will just returning our answer array that we just uh, created using upper operations right now, like here. So what will be the time complexity? It will be O of n log n, because if we start from the top, here we are inserting n times, and insertion takes log n, so n log n here, while m dot size, so it will be n, and we are erasing the elements, means fetching and erasing, it will be taking log n, so it will be mainly n log n time complexity at max. I hope guys this approach was clear to you, and I think now we should conclude this video. It's 14 minutes. This problem was pretty straightforward. It is mainly a problem of heap, means priority queue, but we solved it using map container, because I found it relatively more easier to implement in the code as compared to priority queue. So I hope this is enough for this video. We will be meeting in the next video very soon. Till then, keep learning, keep hardworking. I would request you all to please attempt this question. You will get some really hands-on practice on priority queue as well as map, whatever approach you guys select to solve this problem. So meet in the next video. Till then, thank you very much for watching.